Yo ho! So what I have here is a noise texture whose factor is connected to the height of the bump node, and a Voronoi texture whose distance is connected to the height of the another bump node. So if I put the normal of this into the normal of the principled BSDF shader, you can see the noise texture having effect. Now if I put this normal of the bump node into the principled BSDF normal, so you can see the Voronoi texture having effect. So what I want here is to kind of layer these bumps on top of each other. So what I can do here is I can drag this bump node and connect the normal of this bump node in the normal of this bump node, and you can see now both of them are kind of on top of each other. And now if I increase or decrease the strength of this bump node, you can see only the Voronoi texture is getting affected by it, not the noise texture. So this is how you can create layers of bump in your object. Now if I were to create another layer of bump in my object, so what I can do here is I can select this bump node and press Shift D on my keyboard to duplicate it and place it right here, and then I will press Shift A on my keyboard and search for a noise texture here and put the noise texture right here. You can use any other texture, but I'm going to use noise texture just to demonstrate this. And then I will put the factor value into the height of the bump node, and then I can increase or decrease the scale here, and then put the normal of this bump node into the normal of the principled BSDF, and you can see this bump node having effect. Now if I just select this all and drag it right there and put the normal in the normal of this new bump node, so you can see it's all going crazy right now. So what I can do here is put a color ramp in between this, and now if I drag this black anchor over here, you can see how it is minimizing the effect of this bump node. And you can do all sorts of customization here. You can also decrease or increase the strength here, and you can also use image textures here. Just make sure that the image texture is set to non-color. And this is how guys you can create layers of bump in your object. And of course, Blender is so cool. Subscribe.